Hey girl, watch me install a side part Quickweave. That way you could do your own hair at home and save you a little coin or so. So I'm using some old bundles from Yummy Hair Extensions, but first I'm going in by braiding my hair down. My hair is too thick to just do a regular mold, so I like to braid my hair down. There's a lot of controversy around that. I just feel like do whatever works for you. Make sure you go in with some, this is the Diamond Bond Protectant Shield. I never do a Quickweave without it. I know some people do. I can't do that. I like to use this because when I'm ready to take my Quickweave out, all I have to do is wet my hair and the cap will slide right off. I'm using the old, this is the Cambodian, this is the raw Cambodian natural, y'all can't even say it right. This is the Yummy Extensions raw Cambodian natural wave that I'm reusing, and the quality is still very good. My pieces are already cut up, so I don't really have to do much cutting. I'm just reapplying the glue and repositioning the hair, and I move my hand back and forth just to make sure I'm getting the track positioned exactly where I need to. I want my hair to fall in my face just a little bit, so I like to bring my hair up around towards my face when I get closer to the top. And here I'm just cutting off the cap. I like to wait until I have some tracks glued to the top before I cut my cap. You can cut your cap beforehand, it's totally up to you. But again, I'm just going in and filling in the pieces. I don't bring all my tracks around my face because I don't want my front piece too heavy. It's all based on however you feel. I'm just wrapping my hair around, and I'm just gonna keep going around. I like to make sure the center of my hair is full, so I make sure I double the tracks or glue them a little closer. And then when I get to the top, I don't glue them as close together because I don't want my side part to be extremely full and heavy in the front and then very light in the back. So once you feel as though the front portion of your hair, the bang is heavy enough or to your liking, you could just start laying the tracks straight back and forth. And on my very last track, I take my time so that I don't get any glue in my hair because girl, getting glue in your hair is just such a headache with a quick weave. So take your time. It's free. You're doing it at home. Take your time. A quick weave is not always so quick, ironically. Then I like to go in with some Bio Silk. I put a little bit in my hand and I rub it through my hair. And then I like to go in with a blow dryer, or I'm using my blow dryer brush. This is from Heritage from Walmart. I had this a while ago. I love to use this before I put any other type of heat to my hair. I just feel like it blows out those wavy pieces very well. And then I go in and I get rid of the straggly pieces at the bottom. I'm going to have to insert a little clip over off to the side because I didn't realize you guys couldn't see it. I was recording a TikTok video at the same time. But I do not like those frayed pieces of hair. I get rid of that. I like my bottom. I like the ends of my hair to look very blunt. So I'm just going in, cutting my hair. Y'all, I'm having a hard time talking because I just got over a cold, girl. But anyway, you're going to go in, cut as much as you want. I like to add a little layer. I wanted to give like 90s silk press, a little light layered blowout. So I went in on the side and I just chopped that thing on up. One thing about it, you cannot be afraid to chop up your hair. Being as though I install my own Quickweaves myself, I will reuse this hair as many times as I need to, as I have to, until I'm just absolutely done with it. And whatever you do to one side, you want to make sure you do to the other. That way it looks like, I'm going to say they look like cousins, not sisters. I'm not a pro cutter, but I do like to make sure I go in and clean up my ends just a little bit to my liking. And then I'm going in with my tiny little, I don't know if this is called like edge flat iron. I don't know, y'all. But just to flat iron the perimeter of my hair just a little bit, not too much, but you know, a little bit. And you guys, I was using my DJI Osmo Pocket to record, and the face tracking was on, so every time I moved my hand, the camera kept moving, so I'm so sorry about that. I did have it off the rest of the video, but here I'm just going in with my Babyliss titanium flat iron. I got this from the local beauty supply store years ago, and you see how silky and just shiny that hair looks? Like, come on now. And with this flat iron, you really only need 2 passes max, but sometimes I miss out on the roots, so yeah. But I'm just bumping it under. I'm not doing any curls in this video, y'all. I wanted something that just looked effortless, a nice little blowout look. I wanted to give that silk press vibe. I did not even go in and put any gel on my edges. And I really like how this look came out, y'all. My hair has been shedding so badly. I've been so stressed out. So I'm just like, I don't know what to do with my hair. But one thing about it, a Quickweave is going to come in and save the day. And yeah, so make sure you save this video. Leave a comment down below if you